Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering the Pixel 4 XL off and ejecting the SIM tray. Use a heat source to warm the rear glass edge to roughly 60-80 degrees C so the adhesive softens. This reduces cracking. Once warm, place a suction cup, then slide thin plastic picks around the seam. Work slowly and keep heat steady. Make sure to keep even pressure and lift only a little at a time, because the rear glass is fragile and the fingerprint sensor, ribbon, and NFC are beneath it. With the back glass removed, you'll unscrew the midframe and note screw locations as you go. Use the appropriate small Phillips and tri-point drivers. Once screws are out, pry up any ribbon connectors and lift the midframe free. Next, find the battery bracket and unscrew it, then gently unplug the battery connector to cut power. This prevents shorts. Once done, you can lift adhesive tabs or apply a little isopropyl to release the battery. Work methodically to avoid puncturing the cell. You place the replacement battery into the tray, align and press the connector until it seats, then reattach the battery bracket and any removed ribbons. Before you glue the back glass, power the phone on to confirm the battery is recognized and charging, and that the display and cameras work. If not, power down and recheck connections. Once confirmed, clean mating surfaces, apply new adhesive or adhesive strips, reseat the rear glass, and torque screws properly. Make sure the seal is even to avoid gaps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.